Wala kasi mo.
Daan. What happened?
Na. Pil, mero pa.
Makadula mo na kay kuano na board.
Ha?
Makadula mo na.
Makadula gina.
Makadula pa gipabot na.
Kuan ra gipabot na.
Southern City Colleges of Zamboanga State. Alright. The first OPM. Okay.
Magoy sa tulo sa
Second OPM. The opponent is two British. For the unsportsmanlike foul committed by number 6. Oh, Xavier University. Bianchen. Pass from number 11, guarded by number 16. Number 11, intercepted by number 21. 15. That is for Southern and nothing for Xavier. The loser of this game will go against Brazil for a knockout game. Alright, and the winner will be against the winner of Megan and James Terrellist. First game tomorrow. That's number 6 now, won by number 1. Number 16, jump pass comes to number 2, but there's a whistle coming from Wendell Caparo. Push forward. Number 16, holding foul. Bola Zara, Xavier University. Lama na, mga player. Huwag patagalaw sa init ng ganda. Nakapala kami po ng Rick. Corridor po yung Caparo. Number 8, Johnson. Adam. Look at this. Hey! Take the shoot! Take the shoot! Hey! Southern City Colleges won now. Number 11, guarded by number 17. Number 11 still. Last touch, number 1. According to referee Caparo, so number 6 is bounding in the sideline and the baseline, right? Okay, bumiinit ang paraon dahil lumiinit ang laro ng Southern City Colleges and Xavier University. Number 6. Number 6 to number 7 guarded by number 16. By number 7. 16 stops and pops. Almost back connect. Number 21 goes the one. Left hand. Pass back. And umpire touches the ball. Coach, wala pa? Wala pa? Okay. Alright, number 6, three-point guard of Xavier University. So number 7, long pass to one, take it 3, he fires. Number 1 first the ball. Number 60 now. Left-handed returner of ACC. Wow! He's going back down. Number 21 playing center of City University. Back for number 6. Great wingback of the year. So number 21, Derek Hill. Alcantara. Como double enough. Pushing power number 17, communities. First personal foul number 17, number 1 now. Guarded by number 6. Possible nobody. Pass to that. Inspector. Set the ball for the people of City University. And this game has been good for the lookout of the unit of Poman. Under the leadership of our power Molina. Molina by Spina Pinti Molina. And if you remember, that is the number to the line. If you remember, Sanjay Ryan. President Solar and the money from the and Probar, Barangay Captain of Tiglanan, Tutrobiamo, and former Barangay Captain of Poblacion, Dago, wishing you a happy 65th founding anniversary for Barangay. Sounds imagine. Okay. Okay. Batasan, Osman, you learn to play. Samson Zanroni.
Pula, Priya.
Marcelino Rafael. David Boy. Vicente Jason. Kamiba. Garcia GC. Sarabon Mabon. Number 5 in the same time. Number 30 Robinson. Running score 18 in Federal of University, 6 minutes, 23 seconds, number 32. Mario Property Bunting, everybody men's football. Alright, pintasan number 9, in the 15-foot line, New Citizens, and the charity area. Number again.
Red.
Number 9. Clarifying number 11. For number 4, 23.
Tayo na. Luspagay na. Lolo. Luspagay na. Luspagay na.
Bola na. Figure. Penalty situation na. Penalty. Penalty ang Xavier University.
Hindi kami gusto.
Second personal foul.
Swagen. Liga niya.
Acosta. Second personal foul. Acosta.
Open.
Acosta second personal foul. According to the scorer. Right, Pintasan now is his second chance and the 54th time. And now, they rebound. Number 9 to number 11, taking your back to number 1.
Bola 3.
Alright, who's number?
Bola 3.
Number 2.
Rio.
Monte is in the penalty situation. Every round to win against Virtual. Number 9 is first.
Bola 3.
Play balo sa mga nagsukal. Hinihinay na muli na. Ayaw lang po pinagpilog siya sa number 3 o kung mapili sa baka. Sugal na muli na. Kung mapili ka at gawaton, lubulaw ka at gawaton. Alright, kaya ganyan itong kalinawan para kayo sa magawang araw ng konglawan. So, ikat ka na may palang bigita ni. So, kinakasang mo coordinate. Amo ko pera tayo coordinate.
Bola 3.
Okay, back to action. What's happening? Foul number 1. Pushing foul to Petros by Arapay. And the 15th time. Alright, next game, the loser. Arapay contra sa Pertel. Mula na ko game. Alright. Ang first game mo ang GS Serenity State Colleges sa Matigibus men Campus versus atong ilaw nila sa first game ang IMCC o Iligan Medical Center Colleges from Iligan City. Nakay kulong pati mga nagdula karano ang pag-ilaw ng mga katahan dito sa kagalan. Alright.
Bola 3.
Awarded to number 11. Red Common, number 16. And legal look upon 2 Petros for number 11.
Bola 3.
Second personal foul, number 16 of Southern City Colleges. Number 11, yes! Swak na swak. Ang ganda na through ni number 11. His second chance. He dribbles. He dribbles. He ends. And fire. Double. Garcia first the ball. Pass to Alapay to number 11. Left-handed dribbler of Southern City Colleges. Pass to number 20. That's only the paper and number 5. Just that's the Northern City Colleges of Zamboanga City. In favor of University. Harapan. Black down for the team to referee. Referee comes on at number 12. Penalty. Second personal foul number 12 of Xavier University. All right, number 16. His first is covered. Okay, isa tong mga YD napatay ko ng lingkuranan na pwede pang malingkuran. Ayun mo, mga kaibigan. Alright. Number 5. Number 5 to number 4. Batted by number 16. Okay, so it's all coming from Rodrigo and foul number 16. Illegal use of hand. Third personal foul number 16. Substitution out number 16 and number 17 and number 7. Number 20 out. Go ahead.
May ulan.
10 minutes, 55 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 11-6 in favor of University. Well, 6 points lead by University. The second will come for. He fires double. Stay the long guy. One more free throw. Hey. Super violation. So number 4 awarded one more free throw. According to record with the and this verification being made by Alcantara. Right. Number 4 now. Number 11 here. That's number 17. Number 7. Number 4, go number 5, number 5, right by number 11, back to number 4. Number 4 here, number 4 receiver pass to number 5. Number 5 back to number 15, stop and back to 5 is it. Number 2, Garcia! Number 4, guided by number 17, number 17 to number. Against winner 6. Number 9 in the 15th time. Okay, 33 seconds, 14-13. Xavier the 1. Number again. Number 4, first of all. Basket. Wow! Result by record to the Gabunagan, number 11. And Horicon. Every foul to commit means 2 free throws. Right, number 15, yes, one. Getting for time by number 15, he dribbles. He ends, he fires. Wow, jack. He goes no shot to take. Number 17. And there's a couple of points being contributed by the University. And now we up by number 5. and SSC, already the ball control. Alright, number 7, running by number 15. Stepping on the baseline, on the sideline, for the referee. With the dropping, so number 15 bounding. Of Xavier University. College next round 16-13, 3 points lead by Xavier University. Number 4, the second player, number 7. Number 23, number 3. Alright. Top Petros for number 7, number 11, Alcantara. Alcantara. Ilokait. Maraming kang kamag-anak dito. The verse of Alcantara is good. Second chance of Alcantara. And 15 post line. Number. And number 14 turns the ball. Right number 4 now, the country gets the right back for number 15. Let's go on. Number 17 for number 7. Alright, that's a good time. Number 15. So for number 4, Triple country number. Ready number 18. Stop the ball. 131 seconds, 20-14. Garcia. Yes, for 2. Pagkasama pa foul. Foul. Number basket, number 15, pushing foul. 1 free throw for Garcia as a bonus free throw. Alright. Garcia and the 15 point line for bonus free throw. Jumper ready. No. Holy, number 17 to pick the rebound. Foul there's a whistle again and again that number by referee Gaan. Host power 1. Okay, right after this game. Manihapon lang ta. Ngayon, balik ta na City para sa atong last game. Anak up game. Between Ferndale and the loser of this game. Loser 1 versus loser 4. Anak up game. Number 6 now. Alright. Ang format sa atong dula. Unong pating grupo ng elimination. Dua ang eliminate dahil mga. Hit the shoot. Number 11 point from the middle. And number 9 Vincent Garcia. There's a result coming from Gabriel. Most power. Xavier University. The first of number 9 Pintasan is no. Okay, after sa ito ang elimination round, global elimination 16. Mag-ranking ka 1 cup, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then semi-final number 1 versus number 4 and number 2 versus number 3 and loser will pay for the first place and the winner will pay for the championship. Calling foul. Category Kurigan number 21 holding foul. Top Petros 4. 2019-120 by the Xavier University and Pintasan has a chance to tie the game to the tune of 20 all. Alright? The second chance. And 7. Just got down by number 7. So, look at your starting from Hawaii to number 7. Because nothing is a penalty situation. Number 7. First personal foul of number 7 of the team. Like number 21 in the physical line. His second chance. 20-19. 21-19 now. Focus lead by Xavier University. 16 seconds. 10 seconds. Start now sa TV. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the last day. Wishing you a happy 65th founding anniversary. One of the highlights of our celebration is the Mayor's Cup and this game will be between SCC and Xavier University. Up to reaction number 7. Number 7, number 11, very first shot at guard by number 17. There is another team. Last shot one. Alkima Lima. 9. Number 7 now, signaling play number 2. Vasco Garcia. Garcia to number 5. Third personal foul. Number 17. Number 11, Jesper. 23-26, ACC. And what happened? Okay, let's watch one. baseline. Guarded by number 17, Cabinet. 32-53. Next stops and box. Nova. Taken on by number 9. With number 17, guarded by number 32. Number 11 now. So Cabinet number 17. Back number 11. Looking for our server. Taking 3. Stops and box. Number 12. Number 12. Ooh! the second quarter. Number 4, holding foul. Okay. Number 11, basketball number 1. There's a topic clearance. Directed by the receiver. Thank you very much. Interconnected now. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 7 in the final. Number 16 learns 4 pass to number 7. Number 7 still pass to number 6. Wow.
Abe! Seconds remaining sa second quarter.
1-2-1-2-3. Nabaubuha ang Southern.
All players susunod sa court na i-technical na lang. It means lamoy and sportsmanlike foul niya. You are out of the game. We'll starting sa SEC. Jersey number 11, Alcantara. 1 technical and 2 fouls. Jersey number 8, 1 technical and 2 fouls. Jersey number 1, 1 technical. Jersey number 20. 1 technical, jersey number 16, 1 technical and 3 fouls, warning for foul out. Jersey number 9, 1 technical, 17, 1 technical, number 2, 1 technical and 1 foul. And number 7, 1 technical and 1 foul. Update sa Xavier Ateneo, number 32, 1 technical, Tordiano, out of the game. Number 4, 1 technical and 1 foul. Number 9, 1 technical. Number 15, 1 technical and 2 fouls. Jersey number 7, 1 technical. 21, 1 technical and 1 foul. Jersey number 12, 1 technical and 3 fouls, warning for full down. Jersey number 11, 1 technical. Jersey number 18, 1 technical and 2 fouls. Jersey number 17, 1 technical and 1 foul. Jersey number 14, Lord. 1 technical and 2 fouls. Jersey number 5, 1 technical. Jersey number 13, 1 technical and 2 fouls. Jersey number 16, 1 technical. That's all.
Dahil sa white team, napungaron. White, dua na lang. Hoy! Isa na lang. Pursuing the score position. Alright? Okay. Remaining time 4 minutes 20 seconds, 31-37. 6 points lead by the ECC Sambuanga side. Okay, number 4, Lampasto. Number 17, Stafan. Otot Bangakuan kay Remang by number 8. Number 16, Salomba. Salomba to number 7. Stafan by number 12. Number 19, number 11. Partner that one by Salomba. Number 7, positive Alcantara, number 7 to number 9. So, foul. Number 7. Number 7 to number 16. Intercepted by number 7. Outside Lopa and Pitasan. Number 17. Led by number 11. 17 double color summer pass to his teammate number 9. Guarded by Adam. Then to shoot number 7 by number 15. Saban back. Character jumper. Number 7. Let's go to magkasama pa foul. Basket number 9. Advance for seconds, 35-37, propensity by ECC. Number 7 now. Pass, yes. So number 11. Number 11 to number 16. Drop goal 11, never get the ball. Intercepted by excessive use of elbow. That's allowed pixie foul. Warning number 8. Number 8 committed a sport personal foul. Number 9. Right by number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 9. Jackson pass to Thomas, 13 seconds, 10. Number 11 to number 9. And that's my left. Yes, my sportsman. That's sportsman like on one. You can see we miss everyone in the room. Basket, Anspo, number 11, 1 meter pass ball position. Number 11 committed his second, 1 technical and 1 Anspo means ejection. Alright? Okay. One technical plus 1 Anspo means ejection. 1 technical plus 1 technical means ejection. 1 Anspo plus 1 Anspo means ejection. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 7 guarded by number 5. Number 7 involving pass to number 16 Hawaii. Calling whistle down by referee Daan. Right. Also, number 32. And legal use of hand. Competitors for Alpine. Number 32 committees. Number 32 committees. Second personal foul of number 32, alright? Back around by number 7, number 9 now, pass for number 5. Number 5, made a 3-point target by number 7, now, 32 now. Number 7, 10 and a 3-point target. 2 points by number 5. They went 3 by number 5. So, Alapay! Magpapakadula Prelude. Bowman, Rosebauer, number 9. Legario Zapan. Elevated ball time. Spurs. Yes. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Petasan, and his second chance. 7 time, 1 minute, 5 seconds. 41-43, co-win by Xavier. Xavier regaining the lead by 2. As the roller goes around, ladies and gentlemen. And number 32, Paul again. It's a 4-point lead now by Xavier University. 20 seconds. And the second quarter. Muntik na mahuli si Alapay. Alapay to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. 5 seconds. By number 11. And